Hey folks, thanks for joining. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about my acoustic panels. If you notice my previous all the videos, the theater was constructed and I started putting the music and the movies on, but I thought there's still a little bit of room for improvement from a sound absorption perspective. So what I did was I went ahead and did the mirror test. I took a mirror and asked my spouse to basically follow that along the walls on both the sides in front of the left and the right speaker. And wherever I saw a reflection point, I identified that as a reflection point and marked it. And those became the candidate places where I would basically construct and put the acoustic panels. So as you're seeing here, this is really the constructed acoustic panels, right? I mounted them. If you look on the right side near the screen, there's the first reflection point, second reflection point coming from the other side, and then turning around one at the back of the room and going around on the side, and one actually hanging on the door because it was the first reflection point right next to the screen. So those are the 5 that I constructed and put in this room. And I do notice a significant difference in terms of sound absorption and the quality of the music. I posted a video on YouTube of the difference that I'm observing in the quality of the music, and you could actually go put on your headphones and see how different it sounds. Now, basically, I'm going to walk you through the construction process. So what I did for this was I used the common boards that Home Depot typically sells, and I got enough to make around 5 panels. First, as you see on the picture that comes up on the top of the screen, the frame was constructed. You're seeing the diagonal braces at the top. Those are the braces basically giving the support to all those frames sitting side by side and holding each other. So once the frame was constructed, the next step involved was actually placing the Roxul safe and sound insulation. Now, most of the videos on YouTube are recommending using a 24-inch Roxul. Now, the 24-inch is not a readily available product at my local Home Depot. They typically sell the 16-inch product. So what I did was, even though I constructed the frames to be 24 inches, I basically packed in a 16-inch Roxul and then added some more additional Roxul safe and sound insulation to make it up to the 24-inch. Now, once that step was completed, the next picture you're seeing is basically the completion of the Roxul safe and sound. And once it was done, I put breathable weed barrier on the back. This is also a standard item available at Home Depot, and I put the weed barrier and then I stapled it in. Once it was done, then that kind of held the Roxul safe and sound pretty tightly. Then I had leftover spandex from my screen build that you're seeing, right? This is my screen, the screen build. The left and the right panels, if you're looking at it, that was completely spandex, right? So I had leftover spandex that I used to basically construct these acoustic panels. So this picture that you're seeing on the screen right now shows the construction of the 1, the 2, and then the final, all of the panels, right? So take a look at the video of the before and after sound difference. I'll post a link here on YouTube as well on this particular video. You can click on it and take a look and see the difference that it makes. But I really am happy with what has turned out, and really happy with the quality of sound that my home theater was able to produce. Thank you for watching.